Well, my merry band of mischief makers, wow! Look what's arrived. Let's see. I've got you perched on the green, man. Let's do that, yeah. Let's turn you there. This came available. I've always sort of thought of one, but I've always thought, ooh, there's a lot of money. There's a lot of money to be an idiot and to crash. But look what's come today. Ooh, I paid 150 quid for it. Off of one of the guys at work. Yeah, off of Lee at work. Look at this. It's a DJI Mini Pro, I believe. Let's see, I'm trying, yeah. A Mini Pro. Isn't technology, wow, isn't it amazing what they make and what they do? Blimey. It's unreal, isn't it? Unreal. So this goes like that in the front, look. They go to the front and these go down to the back. Ooh, and that, you take the cover off the back when you set off with it. It's only tiny. It's hardly the size of your hand. It's hardly the size. It weighs absolutely nothing. It's really, 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 really light. And that's the drone itself. And then this is the controller. Then you get the little, there's a little thing here underneath, and you screw them in there. I'm sure you watch YouTube yourself. The guy I saw one video, it says, this is the right one to learn on because it's not costing you a lot of money. And when you make your mistakes, and it's more difficult to control, but once you've mastered this, he says the newer ones are that much easier. So I'm guessing up and right, up and down, forwards and backwards, left and right, and all that sort of thing. My understanding now, it's been bought second hand, so that's been cleaned. We've bought the SD card for it. I think there was about 40 quid for an SD card, a micro SD card we've bought for it. It's got batteries, it's got spare batteries, and this is the batteries have been charged up, so we've got batteries ready to go. The batteries go in the back here somewhere. Yeah, the batteries go in the back there. I don't know. I'm really, really looking forward to. Are we going to be filming car boots? I don't know. Are we going to be? It's going to be great for the Goldwing, isn't it? For the Goldwing events, it's going to be absolutely amazing. A DJI, and then this thing, this belt thing, this strap thing clips on here. Does it? Hold on. I think it goes around there. Methinks. Does it? Yeah, sort of goes around there. They go under there, sort of thing. Maybe it's the other way around. Hold on. Maybe does that make more sense? To go around that way. Those go in there. And those go in there. That sort of makes a bit more sense, doesn't it? Yeah. And these come underneath. And that just clips in there like that. Holds it all together. Does it? Yeah. Holds it all together. Nice little package. And it goes in not a bad bag. So all you have to do is switch it on, and Debbie will do all the technical stuff. We've got the batteries, we've got 3 batteries for it. So that's going to be amazing. We've got the controller. There's a button here, there's a switch there, take a picture. Or I believe that's the go home. You press that wherever you set it up from and it goes off. It runs off a phone, so you put your phone in there, your iPhone and you connect the lead onto there and all that sort of malarkey. Debbie will do all that. So we're quite looking forward to it. Really, really. Look, never had one before. Didn't really want to spend that sort of money. You wouldn't put that sort of money in the hands of an idiot, would you? So this has only been 150 quid. So if I like it and survive with it, obviously we can go up a bit in price. Or if I crash it, I've learnt a lesson, and it's been a cheap lesson rather than going and buying a, you know, the up-to-date expensive one. So anyway, we've got that to look forward to. I think we're going to see some lovely stuff now. We're planning to do lots more. I think we're going to be okay, you know. So that is the DJI Mini 2. Just arrived today. You know, we've got the 360, now we've got a drone. The channel is growing. The channel is growing. It's bit by bit. Ben, look at this poor bugger here. The wind has snapped his sheet. Oh, he's a young fella, he's just learning. The wind has... oh no, he's an old fella. The sheet has got hold of his rope. He didn't rope it on top here. He didn't pull his straps down tight enough.
Okay, transport. What's your bills in there?
Okay, transport. See what he's doing. That flat base, please, yeah. Poor bugger's struggling with it because there's a big gust of wind come along and just blown it and released it all. And you got to fix it. You can't travel with it.
No, I mean the next thing you'd have is that sheet taking up, innit?
Yeah, he's still not really 100%. He's not pulling the sheet tight enough. He's got no space. I'd strap that sheet again. Poor bugger. We've all been there. We've all been. Here, waiting to go on the bay here. There's a trailer here in front of the bay. There's a gap there. There's a trailer here. That's on the bay being loaded. They want me to come down here and they want me to blindside it around this corner here and get it in there. But this man here, they asked the man to move the unit, but the man can't move the unit because he hasn't got the keys, and they won't give him the keys whilst they're loading. And you're never gonna, and this van is in the way to bring her arse in here to come around. They expect you to blindside around that corner into here. So we're waiting for a manager to come along and make some decisions. Benny Ben! I don't know if you can see, look at this bar at the side with the green ends on it. That, we think, has fallen off. You see it? And there's one slack chain, isn't there? There's one slack chain. He's choked the back one, but that fucking shit's moved, and there's stuff in the middle that's not tied on. What do you think, Benny Ben? What do you think?